It is anyway. Near Fansa Nemro.
Adom Sports number one.
Yabasha na yadia free national issues kaka. The Black Queens of Ghana catching Yabasha fi enche no mokwaje bronze. Ewo the Emano Afcon wa ekoso Morocco di mo na nka wan gini say no. Ne ka say ba ne say ye baba so body bia na say FIFA 40 ranking ni ba. Enka ye move akwa nim the latest one abeto dry last month the ne ba patrol. Black Queens atia ko form ba ko. Atesane ka say enka 66 ne ye toso anka we nke be move akwa be 60. And I say pokura 50 bi ni ade I drop because it is 70 in the word. I'm not for never saying, but still, I need the points in a year to come to think of 40 free my mouth for him up here form. And it's a Quambia Sokoto is not came last. And in the Maba one nation was a Quambia so bet to me a Bodjma. Now, one more to me qualify for the next year Afcon no man the next year. Yes, I will be Yabakwa Nasi and Quamin Crabia and a betche. Now, you bet to me a call, and Egypt, and their boy home and away game. I bet me a qualify with him. Now, yet to me, I see a Bakwa Bobby, Nasa, and it in Biakra. Mobium Kranwa, it's not qualified for tournament. Jennifer Kujo, a Black Queens player. Na Egypt fly, and you more drive. I say no member has with my qualified Kobiano. Was so on winning Momakakla, almost stubborn, but a bit my head to form so qualify. Jennifer Kujo, Asamno, a bit to me about now. Ya shredding one some at the Abrewo. Na Jennifer Kujo, some year can none what they copy Morocco. A mano Afcon was an ultimate years. Again, you know, Jinamutin, Erasa can a bit to me about my Etiwaka San or more Ghana, Britain or Boltino, Chilemo, as a one nini team crack or Egypt, a conium national team Nakobope. A tominium papa and to him so many stop one year. But Nigeria is a Black Queens, a bit to me about my sa match in my qualify.
With Egypt, I've had privilege to go there with my team in FC Launch, and I've seen a little bit of them. They play similar. I mean, they're also going to be a good test for us, but I feel like we're just ready. This tournament has given us the upper hand to build on something, so it's going to be a good game.
Wow, and so, yes. So, I somewhere Jennifer Kujo idea to in October French ni besiana yene Egypt for the pem so I say bit me qualify akopie mu ewo ye Afcon no a ma no de ntika cha no to sa fa me ye kan no sa na wuti e no patro na wotwe mu de eye tetem ho asem ko na ye kan ade a na sa tetem yi aye se rocket kraku ne panifo so almost some nadim na president bi baba betena so wo GF ho no okọ first term second term bit masa ko tetem ana bi mu said abi yampene Abdul Salam Yakubu ana president manu ya bia so na no atum
se omanti man kire na general secretary ebe maye be reply no church bibia na class ni yahudia congress no ye bako akokunto congress so de oman kire we a mo we se bia mo nyen kise de minority de be kunto kwa so mo yan me se bibia ye bia na ye de mra ene o se mra it is we so be bule ya na so be sisi ya abra football no e bi wo mu dada there is no way cry me Abdul Salam me meeting adua se ye part of it me de mo de me njintum
ni odi biase fo so mo nyintum te wana gitum Erica Lagi dede aronte ene kopio Great Olympics ya wono na elite team national zaso onye ye na manager ye na ade ane yes okay olifo so mo fo so na sam fo so na Eric say bo me de obi na the team na ma sam nya minim de team wura na edwen
me ni position ekuo bia no ewo emra ye de bu ekuo no na ekuo bia nso no nipa ena omo wokuo no ma omakuo no eyeku enti se adebiba na ekoba ne se ye kwa akoto so aba meti we mi odwuma ye ni ame edwuma ma ka Great Olympics menye nipa me ye obi amena me disika ehye club no munti meti me take decisions on my own ultimately no me ye edwuma mo obi no watu ameka enti se assembly say ba ese me de komo mo de musika shetim no na omo akire bebia omo position wo na as at now no ye nyanko congress idie omo nyanka nkire be say bia wo kwa wajitum anase menjintum nti me no menjimi fa me penko ko ye bibia because me misika ntua salary so misika ntua winning bonus me misika ntua fuel e matimu ntu kwan ko match nti what is the thing about me opinion so no dey misika ye football no so no se opete tema wa wo ye dwuma ma no opinion e be ye den
all right I don't need some Erica Lagi dede e de to dwa Great Olympics you manager no na ya kan sa no ne me mo clubs ni mu kakra na me hwede ye koso enche ye league na se na nanu ada ne ma hu se clubs ahodo no officials beto obi first 5 matches e ma hu kotokode e ma hu House of Folk de Ho United na House of Folk ene ne ABS season na no na ya hwe se obetumi abo anaso etumi mo last season first game House of Folk Lusuye. Now this season, one more signing new entrance, Ho United, and Asa Etiano. The weekend of the 12th of September, na Kwambiaso na Tiano Operado said last season mistake no. I'm person repeat him. I'm person repeat him because I say Rolusu match the how.
Fishers ne buy no. Na your first home match against Basike. Eventually, they took the 3 points away. So if you don't learn something from this, that's also Amanu to Bioma, then it means that you have not really made good use of what happened. So once you have learned from it, you prevent it from happening again. And to prevent it from happening again, it is how you make sure say every match, game after game, you have to give off your very best and make sure that we start well so that we can end successfully. Yes, the crowd is the added advantage for you. But near Odeba onto the pitch, it is very much necessary. I agree that we need the numbers at the stadium. Say numbers no, it helps motivate the players. It pushes the players as well.
Well, I don't need and someone Kwame Opariado or Kasama Class of Folk the two giants. So, you know how it goes. Somebody who United Nets, season by near the idea, but I can't say Kotoko for so already a Kotoko. Nakotoko, apart from Ghana Premier League, more second be some baby, almost representing Africa. Yes, Confederation Cup, no one ever. Na Confederation Cup, no, and you be a Kotoko Befa. A bisa signing some new players, so many more honey at the idea, but Safudukuna Kasama Kotoko was some of the Montamuchuku.
Africa because my cannibal say continue and I do say the Pembason Kwao. Let me say a big projected the kingdom of the Asantimine. It is yes, I come to be Anqua. Asantimine and Costa de Penono. We are in the Asante Kingdom. And the true football competitions, and they promote Asantimine Kingdom or my 2 for year promotuno. In the African idea, a year beyond Yako. And until I say, Yanni Africa, African, this Eco project Asantimine and Ghana in Africa. Ghana, if you had is also. In the NFL, class will be on more. Open your coin and buy a corner of Yanko. In the airport, I'm pleased to be a slot now. Negana football on a bathroom. And I got to consult. You must go home again. Comparatively to compare the class of beers of the other. It's too near me, because Ali Crono, they'd be able to do what you come from. Come to Kotokodia. Also, I'm forgetting about the canning in my beer. I didn't go to Kotokono, Tibiano. No, so. And the young Ghana said Kotoko and Africa, Uncle Pega Ghana dinner, and Yama a coffin.
Yo, Lawyer Safuduku Kasama. Matema Kumasa Sante Koroko. You hear how it goes on the 12th. Share opponent on Benya our prelims the moon. I heard somebody to me about Yakom anymore. And what's some other Nayakan is Ako Piemo. I'll be Biani Costa, so some bebo the Champions League anymore. Omodi, a new Mupa, somebody a new 1 year a Yaba fresh for Crown, Mabaji League went to Omo Kobe for the first time. Na some bit to me, a boss to me, Mono, Omo Captain Yakubu Hack, and in some to just and any Brea Breno with him say, some of you since the brain national film.
It's a tough task which you need to prepare very well because we being champions in Ghana, you are going to face champions elsewhere. So each game you are into, you need to tell yourself you are playing against a champion, which I think that's why this time our preparation is ahead of the previous seasons I know of Gusta. This season signing is about all departments, so you can see the new guys are also responding very well, which I think had been a very, competitive, which I think is good. Because if everyone is competing, that means if you don't compete very well, it will be very hard for you to even have a playing time. So those who are around are competing.
Adom Sports, number one.
Way I go stars a force wakache, dear one more day at Tuja, or Captain Yakubu Hack, Nigeria, Sequambiasono, or Metimako Pojuma, Ati, or man anymore, sans new guys, the Babano, a Yanisa, it's a one summoning. Now, enter now, 1 match is where Jenny Basso, and the Homo Walk Up, or get 17, a Basso, the Craft Sports Stadium, Homo Walk Up, yes, and Gucci say, and organize it, just already was Sequambiason, I didn't move bad in power, Nayakan is no same bad in Semunia Dino, no, yes, trusting never copium, Craft Sports, and Jacopium Sono, now yes, just a bed, it's an out of Lions, and age and national and then only House of Folk at the Abo Annie. Now, none of that organizers who copium, honorable sports minister, and almost say, yeah, Baby Crow, now ya invite to. na ya de akyerɛw sɛ de yɛkɔ so nie wontumi nyɛ sports minister to ɔman mu yɛ bɛyɛ adeɛ ne yɛnka nkyɛw da bi tie de ba bɛkyerɛw sɛ de yɛbɛkɔ so nie no sɛ okay mate ɔno sports minister nsɛm nie.
The basic match has contributed significantly to the development of sports and also peace building, not just for the Ghana state but also Ghana as a whole. His leadership of Accra House of Folk, it was that period also that we saw the glorious days of Accra House of Folks. So if he's introduced sports as a tool for positive change in society, we, those that are given the responsibility to oversee the sports sector, would have to lend our support. And so that explains why I needed to reach out colleagues in the regions so we could meet with them and also introduce the idea and the concepts to them. Well, it's
all right. And then summer sports minister to dry home walk up on the 17th. Was the Accra Sports Stadium. I look Heart of Lions. Shannon so far. I was here. They see about Shannon Sunra. Friendly games. Kakra Kwakwa so on Bayern Munich ball Tottenham by 4-0. Anna scenario of it. So Anna say we need 4 Cristiano Ronaldo ball hat-trick in that particular game and other games back also. Etika Shannon so far. FMA na utim. Bobo ne ho na sa hwetene ende equal na sa befa esewara se wara kwasieda the community shield no ne the BS season na no me patro the winners of FA Cup na no any the league no and they happen to ukopie mu ana no ba be Liverpool and Crystal Palace nti be se ne sa match ne be sia call bad friendly sa wodo be ba so enne no AS Monaco ni Inter Milan be bo Chelsea and Bayer Leverkusen so Bona Brentford Mönchengladbach Newcastle Espanyol and the airport and it ka so ne BRL on Thomas Party every BRL supporters ne so montia say but still very open for the statement about them say party it's a yellow man. So obviously can have VRL in the coming season. I'm going to but we have the football and interesting. But now I call bogu what na asan pick man den but the court case niti and a VRL fans no yam ho anti ho kasacha munya na Thomas Party munya party na man. Munya man be ball. Asiedu be see Betway for the love of the game Betway and akwa fie the weekend games the Brenana they pia man winning over 200 games but and weekend dey na no dey party but na code how do I bet no so DB 0249136744 send a higher bema link no so adwene na wo so di grofo di the people are eating. Well, I'm say for F-Pack no na ye di ho dance e de ama wenne san say pay ne be kwa F-Pack mocha bi o ho a wo mu a e se nyanwanu no bi ne timi ye adwuma ye ntim patcho bi establish na de be ma wo san so MTN say for eSIM ni bi hem eSIM MTN eSIM eno ne ye nyina say ye use eti uso ma san ka bi App Store ni Play Store download my MTN app no a betimi so anya eSIM na bibia timi akoye Sinomi noodles try it and love it Ghana Sinomi aba open noodles atakwa so Sinomi. Yes, I'm okay. One of pay. That's on Bet Power, the home of Africa's big winners. If you want to be a big winner, you have to try Bet Power. They be 6,000 Ghana cedis. I'm going free with Bet Power. So betpower.com.gh. I'm here sponsors and pay. I'm here see I can come here in some night here. Bro, you must come and support sports crew. You also can want to pay. And then some no pro. If you don't media, if you don't want to ma, and teach channels so Efa and Mama Yaro Kai and the Nankasa Kegyiwa ho. Eric Asiedu Boadi. Koswati Jason Sam.